What's the meaning of cassock? Cassock. Cassock.
Cassock. Cassock. A cassock is a long, flowing garment worn by members of the clergy in some Christian denominations. It typically reaches the ankles and may have buttons or a sash to keep it closed. Cassocks are most commonly seen in Catholic, Anglican, and Orthodox churches and serve as a symbol of the wearer's dedication to their faith. They are often worn during formal religious ceremonies such as Mass or weddings. The color and style of a cassock can vary depending on the wearer's rank or affiliation within their church.